When I was taking my MRCP Part 1 and Part 2 examination, cardiology and neurology itself took me 15 to 20 days, and sometimes even a month to complete the subscription. It is the same story for all of us residents, professionals, consultants who are working, managing families, and then taking this very difficult exam. So a lot of queries came to me regarding, can you take the classes for 30 days, 40 days? So initially I was resistant, but now, after 5 years of teaching professionally MRCP, I have come up with this genre of crash course in the MRCP theory and part 2 and part 1 exam. So here you can see an example of how we do it. So here, if you see, we've just started with a consultant, and we were doing cardiology, and it's been 4 days or 5 days since we've done it. They took 1 day break. So you can see what I do is that I make revision sets of each of those important systems systems and topics, and I we give 4 to 5 days for cardiology. So completing cardiology in 5 days is a big achievement. So you can see this is a lecture plan, and we go on to complete the entirety of cardiology with explanation of heart sounds, murmurs, JVPs, with the basics without compromising on anything. So this is a plan for around 40 days of lecture. And if you are interested, you can mail me or WhatsApp me to take the MRCP theory exam. Okay, thank you.